How to hide offensive comments on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide offensive comments on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now just click on your profile and then click the storylines, and here you will find settings and then just click privacy and then comments, and here you will find this one, hide offensive comments. You can just enable it just by one click, and then that's it. Just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to hide offensive comments on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.